Alright guys, in today's video of FlexiSTARTER, we're going to be looking at the difference between linked and embedded files. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos and updates daily. Otherwise, back in the program here. Now, we have briefly covered this before with the import mini-series, but today we're going to be looking just at the difference between linked and embedded files. So then, first of all, what we want to do is locate our file. So if we go to our main menu on top, we go to File, and we go to Import. Then you just select the file you want to import, and then we'll see here on our right, we've got this linked option. Now, let me just give you a quick description about the differences between them. So it kind of says it in itself, but yeah, so linked, if we click that on, then it will only put a link to the file in your actual project. So even though you can see it, move it around, all of that, it's a linked version of the file on your computer. So if you had to take your main project file for the graphics you're working on, copy it to someone else without copying this PNG, then yeah, that file will not be in your project file, as it is only linking to this file. So this is great if you're going to use it as a reference or you don't plan on moving the project file, but if you have someone else cutting for you or so forth, then you want to leave this off. And then what that will do is it will embed it. So basically it will save a copy of that file inside your file as well. So then what that means is yeah, it will increase your file size, your project file size, but in return, if you copy that project to anywhere or someone anywhere, then that PNG will be included. So that's the main difference between the two. So keep in mind, if you're using it as reference or so forth, or working locally only, then linked is fine, as it will keep your main project file smaller and it basically won't make a duplicate of the image you're copying in. Where embedded files will it's a bit more universal in the sense of if you're working globally or like on a network or something like that, then that is maybe the way to go. Otherwise, that is it on linked and embedded files. If you guys head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you will notice we do have a variety of different softwares we do cover, and also we have this nice little search option, so if you want to isolate your search. If you don't find what you're looking for, however, you can always go here to request a training video, then fill in the mini form, and then we will make that video for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.